8 simple morning habits to help manage diabetes. Did you know that your morning routine could play a crucial role in managing diabetes? Imagine starting your day with simple, effortless habits that not only help stabilize your blood sugar, but also contribute to a healthier, more energized life. In this video, we'll explore 8 simple morning habits that can significantly impact diabetes management. Stay with us, as these easy-to-follow tips could make a world of difference for you or someone you care about. 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Maintaining a regular sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm, is crucial for optimal health. Your body has a natural internal clock that regulates essential functions like hormone release, digestion, and metabolism. Waking up at the same time each day helps your body efficiently control blood sugar levels. Research suggests that your body's ability to process glucose is better in the morning than in the evening. Sticking to a consistent wake-up time optimizes the time your body absorbs and utilizes sugar effectively. This regular sleep schedule also impacts your hormone levels. Cortisol, a hormone that plays a role in blood sugar control, is released most strongly in the morning. A consistent wake-up routine helps balance this hormone, reducing the risk of morning blood sugar spikes, known as the dawn phenomenon. Waking up at a consistent time can improve your blood sugar management in several ways. It helps your body regulate blood sugar levels more steadily, preventing sudden fluctuations. It also supports a healthy breakfast routine, as a regular wake-up time allows you to maintain a consistent breakfast schedule. This is crucial because skipping breakfast or eating irregularly can increase the risk of postprandial glucose spikes. Additionally, waking up on time and having time to prepare for your day can reduce stress, which is important for blood sugar control. Finally, waking up at a consistent time sets the foundation for other healthy habits, such as checking your blood sugar, exercising, and taking medication at regular intervals. Establishing a consistent wake-up time, even on weekends, is crucial. Align your wake-up time with your work or daily schedule. For example, if you need to wake up at 6 a.m. on weekdays, maintain this schedule on your days off as well. Prioritize quality sleep by getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to ensure your body is well rested and naturally ready to wake up. Avoid using electronic devices or consuming caffeine before bed. Consider using tools like alarm clocks or sleep trackers to help you wake up on time. While it may take some time to adjust, consistency is key. Stick to your routine for 2 to 3 weeks, and your body's natural sleep-wake cycle will gradually adapt. 2. Test your blood sugar. A fasting blood sugar test measures your blood glucose levels after an overnight fast, typically 8 hours. This test provides valuable information about your baseline blood sugar levels before eating or engaging in any activity that might affect them. Monitoring your fasting blood sugar can help you identify potential fluctuations, such as the dawn phenomenon, where blood sugar levels rise in the early morning due to the natural increase of cortisol and glucagon hormones. Understanding your fasting blood sugar results can empower you to make informed decisions about your diet, medication, and daily habits to effectively manage your blood sugar levels. Monitoring your blood sugar levels in the morning provides valuable insights for both you and your doctor. It helps assess the effectiveness of your current medication, insulin, or management plan. Regularly high or low morning blood sugar levels can indicate a need to adjust your evening insulin, modify your bedtime snack, or improve your evening routine. Knowing your current blood sugar levels empowers you to make informed decisions, such as adjusting your meal portions, engaging in appropriate exercise, or contacting your doctor to address any abnormalities. High or low blood sugar levels can pose risks, especially for individuals with long-standing diabetes. Morning checks help identify and address these issues promptly, preventing serious complications such as hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia, or cardiovascular problems. Choosing the right device. Use a certified blood glucose meter, glucometer, to ensure accurate results. Consider continuous glucose monitoring, CGM devices, if you need frequent monitoring. Ensuring hygiene before testing. Wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap, and dry them completely to avoid contamination. Use a new lancet and test strips that are within their expiration date. Timing of testing. Test your blood glucose immediately after waking up, before eating or drinking anything. Recording results. Keep a record of your readings in a notebook or monitoring app to analyze long-term trends and discuss them with your doctor. Acting on results. If your blood glucose is too high or too low, take steps to adjust it. High blood glucose. Review your diet or evening insulin dose and check for stress or sleep deprivation. Low blood glucose. Consume fast-acting carbohydrates, such as fruit juice or glucose tablets, and discuss with your doctor if the condition persists. 3. Eat a healthy breakfast. A healthy breakfast plays a crucial role in providing energy after a long night's sleep and helps stabilize blood sugar levels, especially for individuals with diabetes. After fasting overnight, the body requires energy from food to restore glucose levels and maintain normal functioning. A balanced breakfast with various nutrient groups helps reduce the risk of a sudden spike in blood sugar, postprandial hyperglycemia, after meals. Eating breakfast properly contributes to improved insulin sensitivity, enabling the body to utilize glucose more effectively throughout the day. A balanced breakfast helps stabilize blood sugar levels by providing a steady release of glucose, preventing spikes and dips. This reduces the risk of feeling tired or dizzy due to unstable blood sugar. A fulfilling and healthy breakfast promotes weight management by keeping you feeling full for longer, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. It also boosts your metabolism, improving your body's ability to process carbohydrates and lowering the risk of insulin resistance. By maintaining stable blood sugar levels from the start of your day, you can minimize the risk of diabetes complications such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and blood vessel damage. A healthy breakfast for people with diabetes should include fiber. This helps slow down digestion and sugar absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels. Suggested foods: oatmeal, whole grain bread, fruits like apples and pears. Protein. This increases feelings of fullness and reduces the rapid absorption of carbohydrates. Suggested foods: eggs, plain Greek yogurt, chicken breast. Healthy fats. These help maintain energy levels and reduce blood sugar fluctuations. Suggested foods: avocado, olive oil, walnuts, almonds. Complex carbohydrates. These provide sustained energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Suggested foods: sweet potatoes, quinoa, beans. Here are some things to avoid. Refined carbohydrates, like white bread, pastries, or sugary cereals, can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar followed by a quick drop, leaving you feeling tired. Foods high in sugar, such as bottled fruit juices, sugary jams, or sweetened milk, should also be avoided as they can lead to sudden blood sugar surges. Skipping breakfast can cause a significant drop in blood sugar, leading to fatigue, discomfort, and potentially overeating at later meals. 4. Take your medication on time. Medication plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. Insulin and oral medications help control blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity or reducing glucose production in the liver. Taking medication at the right time is essential for effective blood sugar control. The timing of medication is designed to align with the body's natural rhythms and meal schedules. Consistent medication intake ensures stable blood sugar levels. Skipping doses or taking medication at the wrong time can lead to dangerously high hyperglycemia or low hypoglycemia blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Keeping your blood sugar within a safe range reduces the risk of both acute and chronic complications. Optimizing medication effectiveness. Taking your medication at the right time ensures it works most effectively, aligning with your body's natural rhythms. Preventing side effects. Consistent medication adherence minimizes the risk of side effects like hypoglycemia or drug interactions. Cultivating a sustainable routine. A regular medication schedule reduces the chance of missed doses and promotes consistent diabetes management. Here's a breakdown of commonly used diabetes medications and their typical timing. Oral medications. Metformin, usually taken with meals to minimize stomach upset. Sulfonylureas, taken before meals to stimulate insulin production from the pancreas. Insulin, basal insulin, injected at a consistent time each day, often morning or evening. Bolus insulin, injected before main meals to manage blood sugar after eating. Other medications, DPP-4 inhibitors and SGLT2 inhibitors, taken in the morning as directed by your doctor. 5. Stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining our body's functions, making up about 60% of our body weight. It is particularly important in regulating blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes, water helps the kidneys eliminate excess glucose through urine when blood sugar is high. It also reduces the risk of dehydration, which can lead to increased blood glucose levels and severe hyperglycemia. When dehydrated, blood becomes thicker, causing higher blood sugar levels and putting extra strain on the kidneys. Drinking water upon waking up can help regulate blood sugar levels. It promotes hydration, which supports your kidneys in efficiently removing excess glucose. This can reduce the risk of sudden blood sugar spikes. Adequate hydration also facilitates the distribution and metabolism of glucose in the bloodstream. Water plays a crucial role in activating enzymes and supporting the conversion of carbohydrates into energy, boosting your metabolism. Starting your day with water replenishes fluids lost through breathing and sweating during sleep, enhancing alertness and energy levels. Additionally, drinking water can help curb hunger pangs, preventing overeating or unhealthy breakfast choices, which can contribute to weight management. High blood sugar. Dehydration can make your blood thicker, leading to higher glucose levels and making diabetes harder to manage. Kidney function. People with diabetes are at a higher risk of kidney problems. Dehydration puts even more pressure on your kidneys, potentially causing long-term damage. Fatigue and lack of focus. Dehydration can cause fatigue, reduce work performance, and affect your quality of life. Here are some things to avoid. Drinking too quickly or too much at once can put stress on your kidneys and isn't good for your body. Overindulging in sugary drinks or fruit juices. These contain sugar and can raise blood sugar levels, doing more harm than good. Forgetting to drink water after breakfast. Eating breakfast without drinking water beforehand can make your digestive system work less efficiently, leading to fatigue. 6. Exercise. Exercise plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. Not only does it help lower blood sugar levels, but it also increases insulin sensitivity, enabling your body to utilize glucose more effectively. During exercise, your muscles use glucose for energy, reducing excess glucose in your bloodstream. Additionally, exercise improves insulin function, lowering the risk of insulin resistance. Exercising in the morning, particularly before breakfast, stimulates fat burning, enhances metabolism, and helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. Regular physical activity can help lower blood sugar levels immediately and keep them stable throughout the day. Exercise also increases insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use insulin more effectively, potentially reducing the need for insulin or other medications. Morning exercise can help you burn calories, supporting weight loss or maintenance, which in turn helps manage blood sugar levels. Physical activity also boosts energy levels and improves mood by stimulating the production of endorphins, leaving you feeling energized and ready for the day. Finally, regular exercise can help prevent diabetes complications such as heart disease, high blood pressure, and nerve problems. Here are some suitable forms of exercise. Brisk walking. This is an easy exercise to do, suitable for all ages, helping to improve circulation and lower blood sugar. Yoga enhances flexibility, reduces stress, and stabilizes hormones, supporting better blood sugar control. Cycling. This activity stimulates muscles to use glucose effectively, while also being good for the cardiovascular system. Light resistance training. Using light weights or doing exercises like squats and push-ups helps to strengthen muscles and improve insulin sensitivity. Gentle aerobic exercise, such as jumping rope or exercising to music, helps to stimulate blood circulation and burn energy. Here are some tips for maintaining a morning exercise routine. Start slowly. If you're new to exercise, begin with 10 to 15 minutes of activity each day and gradually increase to 30 minutes. Align with your body clock. Try to exercise at the same time each morning to establish a consistent routine. Check your blood sugar before and after exercise. If your blood sugar is low, 100 milligrams per deciliter, have a light snack before exercising to prevent hypoglycemia. If your blood sugar is high, 250 milligrams per deciliter, consult your doctor before exercising, as it may further elevate your blood sugar levels. Incorporate your interests. Choose a form of exercise that you enjoy to stay motivated, such as walking with friends or listening to music while working out. 7. plan your day. Planning plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. A well-structured daily plan not only helps you manage your time, but also ensures you maintain healthy habits. This minimizes impulsive or unhealthy decisions. Effective control. A detailed plan for meals, physical activity, and rest helps you regulate your blood sugar levels more effectively, reducing the risk of fluctuations caused by unexpected events. Reduce stress. With a clear plan, you can avoid the pressure of making quick decisions, lowering stress levels, a factor that can contribute to increased blood sugar. Sticking to a regular eating schedule can help you manage your blood sugar levels. By planning ahead, you can ensure that your meals and snacks are well-balanced, nutritious, and eaten on time, preventing sudden spikes or drops in blood sugar. This can also help you manage your time more effectively. Planning allows you to prioritize important activities like checking your blood sugar, exercising, and taking medication. A structured plan can also help you control cravings by preventing unhealthy snacking or overeating. Finally, having clear goals, such as exercise routines or a healthy diet, can help you stay motivated and maintain good habits. Here are the key elements to include in your plan. Meal timing and composition. Set specific times for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Choose foods rich in fiber and protein, while limiting refined carbohydrates to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Physical activity. Schedule regular exercise sessions, such as a 30-minute morning walk or evening yoga practice. Blood sugar monitoring. Record your blood sugar testing times, before and after meals, before exercise, to track trends and adjust your plan as needed. Medication or insulin administration. Set reminders to take your medication or administer insulin at the prescribed times. Rest and relaxation. Make time for relaxation activities like reading or meditation to reduce stress and improve blood sugar control. Effective planning involves utilizing helpful tools, such as notebooks, phone applications, or planning boards to meticulously record daily tasks. It's beneficial to plan the day ahead the night before, considering factors like work, meals, and activities to prevent forgetting or missing anything. Instead of setting large, daunting goals, break them down into smaller, specific tasks like prepare lunch or walk for 15 minutes. At the end of the day, review your plan and assess what you accomplished, making adjustments for the following day. 8. Stay consistent. Consistency in lifestyle plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. Maintaining a regular morning routine, including waking up, eating breakfast, exercising, taking medication, and checking blood sugar levels, helps establish a stable circadian rhythm. This rhythm regulates essential bodily functions like hormone release, digestion, and energy metabolism. By maintaining consistency in daily habits, you optimize these processes, which is particularly important for individuals with diabetes. This stability also helps your body utilize insulin more effectively, reducing the risk of sudden blood sugar spikes or drops. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels. When your morning routine is consistent, your body can anticipate and effectively regulate blood sugar levels. Improved treatment effectiveness. Taking medication, checking blood sugar, and exercising on a regular schedule optimizes the effectiveness of your medication and reduces the risk of blood sugar fluctuations. Reduce stress. With a consistent routine, you won't need to worry about what to do next, reducing the pressure of managing your condition. Preventing complications. Consistency helps maintain stable blood sugar levels over the long term, reducing the risk of chronic complications such as nerve, heart, and kidney damage. Increased productivity and energy. A clear morning routine helps you start your day with a positive mindset and higher productivity. Managing diabetes effectively doesn't have to be a daunting task. It's about establishing simple, sustainable habits that align with your individual needs. By incorporating these 8 powerful morning habits into your daily routine, you can pave the way for better blood sugar control, increased energy levels, and a healthier lifestyle. Which of these habits are you eager to try? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical tips, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Together, let's empower ourselves to manage diabetes and start each day with strength and confidence.